Bago ang lahat, kayo muna ay aming iniimbitahan. Lahat po ng OFWs na nakikinig ngayon. Excuse me. OFWs po, Overseas Filipino Workers, mga former or current, kung yung mga current, if you happen to be here this coming Saturday, April 5, magkakaroon tayo ng pagpupulong-pulong, pagkikita-kita with OFW party list. Ayan. And syempre, ang ating representative, si kagalang-galang na Madam Marisa Del Mar will be there. Okay? 10 a.m. April 5 at SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. And for those who don't know kung saan ang Subic Bay Colleges, Inc., ayan, alam niyo ba yung pilahan na blue? O, di ba? Nag-uumpisa yun sa may parting Victory Liner. Di ba? Yun yung pilahan ng blue. Hindi pa ron. Yung dulo ng pilahan, puntahan niyo yung dulo, di ba? Dulo na 'yon, pero hindi pa doon. Dulo na. Hindi, biro lang. Yun na, yung dulo ng pilahan ng jeep na blue. Ayan, madaling matagpuan, ano? Just follow the blue jeepney line. Yung pinakadulo, makikita nyo. Numbers 2 and 3, 18th Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Ayan, dyan po located ang Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. So again, OFWs, you're invited. Former OFWs, current OFWs, if you happen to be here, on Saturday, 10 a.m., April 5. Kita-kits po tayo sa SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. Darating ang butihing party list representative Marisa Del Mar sa pagpupulong ng OFW party list sa SBCI. Once again, alas 10 po ng umaga. Ayan, ayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang imbitasyon namin sa inyo, no? Malapit na rin, eto na. Naku, lalapit na. Yung Radyo Bandera Olongapo in partnership with Social Action Center of Zambales or SACZ, tsaka ng Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting or PPCRV. Ayan, kilalang-kilala ang PPCRV, no? Naririnig niyo sa mga news and updates yan, ano? Ang PPCRV, isa sa mga watchdog kasi yan ng eleksyon, ano? And the National Movement for Free Election or NAMFREL proudly presents on April 27 the first Olongapo City Mayoralty Debate for 2025, 8 a.m. to 12 noon at Casa Gilda Resort. Dito yan sa Tabakuhan, Barangay Santa Rita. Parte po ng Barangay Santa Rita ng Tabakuhan. I stand corrected. I keep saying Barangay Tabakuhan, hindi pala Barangay ang Tabakuhan, ano? Ang tagal-tagal ko nang nasa Olongapo eh. Since age 1 nandito na ako eh. Ayun. So, ang Tabakuhan is a part of Barangay Santa Rita. So, dito po matatagpuan yung Holy Spirit Village sa Tabakuhan and yung mayoralty debate natin gaganapin dito sa Casa Gilda Resort. Yan. Alam niyo maganda sa Casa Gilda Resort, may napakagandang swimming pool. Kung medyo uminit yung debatehan, di magsiligo tayo para lumamig. What I'm trying to say is you're all invited. It's open to the public, right? Everybody can come, everybody can go see it live as it happened. April 27, 2025, 8 a.m. to 12 noon once again. Dito sa Casa Gilda Resort. Ayan, April 27, yung mayoralty debate. Wow, okay? Mayoralty debate yan. Pero, meron ding vice mayoralty debate na gaganapin. Okay? Iba naman ang schedule ng vice mayoralty debate. Pareho ba? Pareho pala. I stand corrected. April 27 pareho. Am I right? Okay. Ayan. So, pareho po palang gaganapin. Both mayoralty and the vice mayoralty debate sabay. Ayan. April 27. Separate lang yung poster. Pero isang date lang. Yeah, you're all invited. Okay? And time now for some of the latest piece of news. Siguro mamaya na when we return yung isa sa mga latest news and update natin, ano? Isa munang imbitasyon para sa inyo sa mga kaibigan natin na mahilig mag-shopping. Ayan, inimbitahan kayo ng SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check out the Ace Fantastic 4-4 sale. Ayan na naman tayo, no? Yung 1-1-2-2-3-3. 4-4 ngayon, syempre, April 4. Up to 50% off on selected items at Ace Hardware. 10% off for every 3,000 minimum spend. Ayan, okay? For your home goals, let's make it happen. Grab up to 50% off on home improvement must-haves during the Ace Fantastic 4-4 sale. April 4, of course. Ace Hardware, SM Central, and SM Downtown. And And also, you're all invited to the Hallyu Fan Fest. Calling all K-pop fans, get ready to celebrate the Hallyu Wave with the ultimate Hallyu Fan Fest happening at SM City Olongapo downtown. Enjoy exciting performances, fun games, freebies, and party on April 5, 2025, Saturday, 5 p.m., level 7 at the roof deck. Okay? Don't miss out. Grab your besties and enjoy the fun. Hallyu Fan Fest. Okay? Malapit na, ha? Again, it's gonna be on April 5, Saturday, 5 p.m. Okay? And congratulations to Nidec. Sila ang Company of the Month ng SM City Olongapo Downtown. Nidec employees, this one's for you. Enjoy exclusive deals and discounts at SM City Olongapo Downtown's Company of the Month, April 1 to 30, 2025. Simply present your company ID at the participating stores. Alright? You have discounts awaiting you for at Uni Silver, Chowking, Infinity, Infinix, Kaishin, Ojo Eyewear. Alright? So again, Company of the Month is Nidec of the Subic Bay Freeport. And check out the summer sports. Enjoy summer at SM. Level up your summer at SM from epic e-games to thrilling sports and the cutest pet Olympics. It's all about fun, family, and furry friends. Stay active, stay connected, and make this summer unforgettable. And lastly, this invite from Kai Sin. We are excited to announce that we have a new promo this month. We're giving back with 20% off from April 1 to 16, 2026 at Kai Sin, Level 2, SM City, Olongapo, Downtown. Ayan, the 20% off. They're giving it back for the Holy Week promo, April 1 to 16, 2025. Alright, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. More cool songs for you now. This is the Night Jam. You're jamming with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. This is 107.1 FM, Radyo Bandera. This is the song this time coming from David Pomeranz. Alam niyo ba si David Pomeranz? Madalas nasa Pilipinas. The Filipinos are very close to his heart. Dahil alam niya na yung songs niya are, you know, immortalized classics dito sa Pilipinas. And I had the opportunity to have him as a guest sa radio program ko back in, anong year ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Bago nag-COVID. Yun, bago nag-COVID. I'm not pulling your leg. I'm not kidding. Meron akong pictures as proof. Pero matagal na. Kaya sa picture, pag nakita nyo, ang taba-taba ko. Hindi pala ako mataba. Ano ako? Matabang-mataba. Baka pag nakita nyo yung picture na yun, sabihin nyo, sino ka? Anong ginawa mo kay DJ Tommy G? Ilabas mo siya. Parang kinain ko, you know? Pero yeah, he was one of the highlights of my life. I'm a big fan din kasi, no? Si David Pomeranz, ayan. He was a guest dun sa radio program ko dati sa isang radio station before. I think that was 2016 or 2017, if I remember it right. Nag-guest siya doon. He happens to be in the Subic Bay Freeport, so he dropped by there. Okay, and here's one of his. Yung mga sinasabi ko, isa sa mga sinasabi kong immortalized classics, timeless classics from David Pomeranz. This is Born for You. 107.1 FM, Radyo Bandera.